Once you installed TaskMagic on your computer, you can start creating automation. Keep in mind that each product on Printify will need its own specific automation because of slight differences between products. However, you can save time by creating one full automation, duplicating it, and making small adjustments for each product. On the side panel of TaskMagic, you'll find the workspace. This acts like a folder for your automation. I recommend creating a dedicated workspace for Printify since it's likely to have multiple automations and deserves its own space. Inside the new workspace, I'm going to create the first automation. Name your automation. For instance, I name mine Printify followed by the product name and additional details to keep it organized and easy to distinguish from other automations. First, set a trigger. Click on the icon and then find the Use List trigger option. Once you select it, click on the trigger box to configure it for the Google Sheets. Select Use List. Click on Manage Sheet Connection. Copy the provided email address and go to your Google Sheets file. Add this email with edit permission to the sheet. When copy the sheet's URL, return to the automation and paste the URL in the appropriate box. Next, you'll see a list of sheets from the Google Sheets file. Select the one you want to use for Printify uploading. You can use the same Google Sheets file for all print-on-demand websites. Click on Continue to return to the main automation setting.